Hello everyone, let's try to create this slide and see how it looks like. Okay, at first let's see it. See, it has a great and unique effect. Let's try to create this. At first we need to add this thing, this object. Where we can add this, I don't going to call it mathematical because maybe some of you not easy with that, but you can add it from equations and also from symbols. But now we have it. Because of that, we just copy the object we have. It's lagging. Okay, we just copy the object, paste it here. Okay, we have the object. This object, how we create it, it's really important for you to understand how we create this. But at first, let me tell you something. This object is a text and you can write in it and you can zoom it out and zoom it in. In my previous video, I teach you how to create this object. Because of that, I'm not going to do some calculation on it. It's like the ROM and Optimize video that we created. They are all similar, but now we just copy that and paste it here. And after pasting it here, we need to create the colors. The colors are here in the background that we are using. Let's take a look at these colors. This color is creating by formatting a rectangle shape and use the gradient fill and add some more fill on it. After creating that, we send it to back. We copy this slide and bring them here. And we copy it again and bring it here. Now, let's zoom it out to make it look small. After doing that, we need to paste our text. For the text, I'm going to use this math text. It's an easy text that use gradient fill as a fill, and also it has overdrive sunset as a font. Now we copy this text also, paste it here. We need to decrease it in size a little more. Bring it up. Okay, everything has been created. Now we just simply set the transition to morph. Now we need to, after 0 seconds. That way we don't stop in this slide. Now let's have and take a look. You see, it's look really amazing. I hope you enjoyed. If you like it, please like and subscribe and ask me if you need anything in the comments.